Dear children, previous video we have done exercise 16.1 question number 1. Now let's see question number 2. Height in centimeter of 30 girls in class 8 are given below. 140, 140, 160, 139, 153, 146, 151, etc. It is given there. Height of 30 girls in class 8. It is given here in centimeter. 140 centimeter, 140 centimeter, 160 centimeter, etc. Prepare an ungrouped frequency distribution table for the above data. An ungrouped frequency distribution table. Ungrouped frequency distribution table means from these observations, lowest term to highest observation we have to write in order. After that we will mark the tally mark and frequency. That is an ungrouped frequency distribution table. So we have to prepare an ungrouped frequency distribution table for the above data. Also calculate the range of the data. After preparing this ungrouped frequency distribution table, we have to calculate the range of the data. Range is equal to, we have studied formula. What is the formula? Range is equal to highest observation minus lowest observation. So here already I have arranged all the data according to the ascending order. That is, this one is the ungrouped frequency distribution table. That is, we have to draw 3 columns. In the first column we will write height in centimeter, that is the observations x. Second column tally mark, and the third column frequency f. And here in this observation, the lowest observation is, or least observation is 139. Next one 140, 142, 146, 148, 149, 150, 151, 152, 153, 154, 158, 160. Then last we have to write total. Then here we are going to mark the tally mark here. From the observation we have to mark it tally mark. Better to use a pencil to mark that tally mark. That is first observation, it is here 140. We will round it here 140. After that we have to mark it here 141 tally mark 1. We will mark it here. Again it is 140 there itself 140. Mark it 1 there. 160 last one. Here we have to mark it 160. Here we will mark tally mark 1. Then next one is 139, that is the first one. 139 round it, mark it 1 here. Next one 153, it is here 153. We have to mark 1 there. Next one is 146, it is here. Then next one 151. Next one 150 it is here 150. Next one also 150. We will mark it here 151. 154. Here we have to mark 1. Next one is 148. 148 it is here. Next one is 158. That is the second last one here 158. Next one is 151. It is here 151. Next one 160. Last one. Next one 150. It is here. Next one is 149. 148. 140 to come here. Next one 148. 153. 140 it is here. Next one 139 here. Next one 150 it is here. Next one is 152. 1. Next one 149 it is here. 142 is here. 152 is here. 140. Already 1, 2, 3, 4 it came. So fifth one we will cut it like this. This one is fifth one, number 5. The next one is 146. 146 it is here. Next one is 148. 148, it is here. Now we have to write the frequency. Frequency, first one 139, tally mark it is 1 2, so here we have to write the frequency 2. Next one 140, 1 2 3 4 5, so here we will write 5. Next one 142 1, 146 2, 148 1 2 3 4, and 149 1 2, 150 1 2 3 4, 151 2, 152 2, 153 2, 154 1, 158 1, 160 2. Then total we have to find out. Total we have to get 30. 30 girls height it is given here. That means total 30 observations are there. So when you are getting the frequency, total frequency you have to get 30. So add it and see. 5 plus 2 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 2 10, 14, 16, 20, 22, 24, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So total 30. So this one is the ungrouped frequency distribution table. Now one more question is there. Also calculate the range of the data. Now we have to find out the range of the data also. Then last we have to write, then range is equal to, what is the formula? Highest observation minus least observation. What is the highest observation here? Last one 160, that is the highest observation, minus least observation, it is here 139. 160 minus 139, that is equal to 160 minus 139. What is the answer? 10 minus 9 1. Here it is 5. 5 minus 3 2. 1 minus 1 0. So 21. Range of the data is 21. So that is the answer. Now let's see question number 3. Construct a frequency table for the following data which gives the daily wages in rupees of 32 persons. Use class interval of size 10. Use class intervals of size 10. So this one is a grouped frequency distribution table, not ungrouped frequency distribution table, because we cannot make it as a ungrouped frequency distribution table, because its least number it is 103 is there, 108 is there, 110, and highest observation up to 203. So 110 to 203 it is difficult to write. So we are going to make a grouped frequency distribution table only. Question number 2, it was ungrouped frequency distribution table. This one is a grouped frequency distribution table. That is why they have given use class intervals of size 10. Use class intervals of size 10. So I made it already. Class intervals here 100 to 110. Class size is 10. Class size, what is the formula? Upper limit minus lower limit. 110 minus 100, it is 10. So class size is 10. I made it class size 10. So we have to make a grouped frequency table for this data. Daily wages in rupees it is given there of 32 persons. Total 32 persons. Then 32 numbers will be there. Total frequency we have to get 32. So here first we have to draw the frequency distribution table. Then first one is first column we have to write daily wages in rupees, that is X. Second column tally mark, and third column frequency F. Then here we have to make the grouped frequency distribution table. So here it will come. So here it will come 100 to 110. Least observation and highest observation we have to find out from here. Least observation is 108. 108 is the least observation here. So it will come in between 100 and 110. So that is the first class interval, 100 to 110. Then highest observation is 203 here. So that is why I made it up to 200 to 210. 203 is between 200 and 210. And here in this class interval, remember that 100 is included here and 110 is not included here. In this class interval, we will mark 100 to 109 only. 110 we will mark in the second class interval up to 119. And here in this class interval 120 to 129. Here 130 to 139 only we will mark. 140 it will come here. 140 to 149, etc. Then now we can mark it tally mark. First number is 110. So that same way, using a pencil, round this observation from here we have to round it 110. 110 it will come in the second class interval. Here it will come 110, not in the first class interval. It will not include in the first class interval. It is included in the second class interval only. 110 we have to mark it here. Next one is 184. Between 180 and 190. Between 180 and 190. 184 it will come here. Next one 129. Between 120 and 130. Between 120 and 130 here. Next one is 141. 141. It is between 140 and 150. 105. 105. That is the least observation. That is in the first class interval. 100 to 110. 134. 134 between 130 and 140. Here we will mark. 136 also same. 130 and 140. Between 130 and 140. That is 136. Next one 176. Between 170 and 180. Next one 155. Between 150 and 160. Next one 145. 145 it is here. 150. 150 it is here. 160. 160 it is here. Between 160 and 170. Next one 160 again, that also in the same class interval. Here it will come. Next one 152. 152 it is here. 201. 201 it is in the last class interval between 200 and 210 here. Next one 159. 159. 159 it is here. Next one 203 in the last class interval. 200 to 210 here it will come. Next one 146. 146 it is here. 177. 177 here. 139. 139 it is here. 105 in the first class interval here. 105. 140 it is here. 140. 190. 190 here it will come. 190. Next one 158. 150 to 160. Fifth one we have to cut it. 203 in the last class interval. Here it will come. Next one 108. 108 between 100 and 110. Here it will come. 129. 129 here. 118 here it will come. 112 that also in the second class interval. 169. 169 here it will come. 140. 140 it is here, so we have to cut it. Fifth one we have to cut it. Next one 185. 185 here it will come. So now we can write the frequency. First frequency, what is the first frequency? 3. Second one 3. Third one is 2. Next one 3. 5. 5. 3. 2. 2. 1. 3. Now last we have to write total. In tally mark no need of writing that. Total we have to write in the frequency column. Last here we have to add it. What we have to get? 32 persons daily wages it is given here. 32 persons daily wages of 32 persons it is given here. That means 32 numbers are here. So total frequency we have to get 32. Okay, let's count it. First one is 3, 6, 8, 11, 11 plus 10, 21, 21 plus 5, 26, 26 plus 2, 28, 29, 30, 32. So total it is 32. So this one is the grouped frequency distribution table. Now let's see question number 4. You have to write it in your notebook. Question you have to write in your notebook. Then here I will give you the answers. Observe the frequency distribution table given below. Answer the following questions based on the table. Observe this frequency distribution table. After that, some 3 questions given here. We have to answer the questions. Class intervals 1 to 20, frequency 6. 21 to 50, frequency 12. 51 to 70, frequency 30. 71 to 80, frequency 14. 81 to 100, frequency 7. What is the range of the data? Range of the data is equal to, first you have to write the formula. Range of the data is equal to highest observation minus least observation. Highest observation is 100 minus least observation is 1 here. Highest observation 100, least observation is 1. That is equal to 100 minus 1 is equal to, what is the answer? 99. So when you are writing the answer, you have to write the formula. Range is equal to highest observation minus least observation. Then substitute these values. 100 minus 1, that is equal to 99. That is the answer. Now question number B. What is the class size of the second class interval? Second class interval is 21 to 50 is the second class interval. What is the class size? Class size is equal to, you have to write the formula. Class size is equal to upper limit minus lower limit. That is equal to, in the next line you have to write 50 minus 21, that is equal to 10 minus 1 and 9, 4 minus 2, 2. So class size is equal to 29. Here class size is 29. What is the frequency of the class interval with size 10? Which class interval has the size 10? Here 1 to 20 it is 20. 21 to 50 we got 29. 51 to 70 also it will come 29. 71 to 80, its class size is 10. Then what is the frequency of the class interval with the size 10? What is the frequency there? 14. So frequency it is 14. That is the answer. So this question you have to write in your notebook and write the answers. Now let's see question number 5. The length of some cactus plants in centimeters have been found to be as follows: 161, 151, 153, 165, etc. Length of the cactus plants in centimeter it is given here. What do we want to do? Represent the data by a grouped frequency distribution table, taking the classes as 161 to 165, 166 to 170, etc. That means inclusive class interval we have to make. Then again one more question is here. What can you conclude about the height of the plants from the table? Here it is given, taking the classes as 161 to 165, 166 to 170, but here least number is 151. So the class interval we have to make it 151 to 155, 156 to inclusive class interval. So here it will come 156 to 160. Next number 161 to 165. Next number 166 to 170. Highest number is there 170. So up to 170 we have to make. So this one is the answer for question number A, grouped frequency distribution table. So first we can mark it. First number is 161, round it, it will come here 161. Second one is 151, 151 it is here, 153 also here. Next one 165 it is here, 167 it is here, 154, 154 it is here. Next one 162, it is here, 163 that also in this class interval, 170 it is here, 165 here, fifth one we have to cut it, 157 it is in the second class interval, 156 in the second class interval, 153 in the first class interval, 160 it is here, 160 again that also here, 170 in the last class interval, 161 here, 167 it is here, 154 here, fifth one, 151 that is here, 152 also in the first class interval, 156 it is here, fifth one we have to cut it, 157 here, 160 that also here, 161 it is in the third class interval, 160 it is here, 163 in the third class interval, 167 it is here, fifth one we have to cut it, 168 is here, 158 that is in the second class interval, 158. So now we can write the total frequency in the first class interval, 151 to 155, 5, 6, 7. Here it is 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Next one 5, 6, 7, 8. Next one 5, 6. Then total frequency we have to write. 9 plus 7, 16. 16 plus 8, 24. 24 plus 6, 30. So 30 cactus plants length it is given here. So that is the answer for question number A. Now question number B. One more question is here. What can you conclude about the length of the plants from the table? What can you conclude from the length of the plants from the table? From the table we can conclude that maximum number of plants, maximum number of plants in the length between 156 centimeter to 160 centimeter, that we can conclude from the table. So that is the answer. Now in this exercise 2-3 questions are there that you do it by yourself. Remaining portion we will do in the next video. Thank you so much.